London, one of the world's most lively cities, has attracted visitors for many years. From the London Bridge to Buckingham Palace, the city boasts some of the world's most iconic landmarks and attractions. Whether you're searching for art, architecture, or delicious food, England's capital has something for everyone. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today, we are going to talk about the best places to visit in London. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Tower of London. The Tower of London houses a royal residence, a large armory, and a powerful fortification. You can tiptoe inside a king's bedroom and clear your mind about how royalty might have lived in those days. The crown jewels will leave you in awe. Don't dare take pictures inside unless you want to spend the rest of your tour in the royal prison. IFS Cloud Cable Car. The IFS Cloud Cable Car, which departs every 30 seconds between the Greenwich Peninsula and the Royal Docks, glides high above the Thames and offers breathtaking views of the metropolis. See the must-see attractions of London during the day, or appreciate the city at night on a 5 to 10 minute flight, depending on the time of day. Tower Bridge. Interestingly, Tower Bridge is the only bridge on the Thames River capable of raising and lowering to facilitate ship passage. If you time it correctly, you might be able to witness the bridge's lifting. For a very enjoyable experience, enter the North Wing and climb the 200 steps to the top for a breathtaking view over the Thames and the city. London Eye. The London Eye is a must-see attraction, featuring an observation wheel that shows you the grandeur of the country's capital. The biggest structure in Europe, the glass capsules, will lift you 135 meters, 443 feet over the Thames. We hope you aren't afraid of heights. Even if you do, we encourage you to take the ride for an experience you will remember forever. Buckingham Palace. Visit Buckingham Palace, the residence of the British royal family. When you gaze at the magnificent structure, notice the flagpole on top. When it flies day and night, it indicates that the Queen is at home. If you're lucky, you might spot the Queen or other members of the royal family on the center balcony. Big Ben. The Big Ben, one of London's most renowned landmarks, is a stunning example of Victorian architecture. The clock is located atop the Elizabeth Tower at the House of Parliament. You can hear the bells sound up to 14.5 kilometers from the tower. If the view of the world's largest four-faced clock structure isn't enough, visit the public galleries of the House of Parliament. Warner Brothers Studio, London. If you're a Harry Potter fan, a visit to Warner Brothers Studios in London is a must. Here, you can relive movie sequences by entering the Forbidden Forest or Diagon Alley. If you organize your visit ahead of time, you can attend a celebration of Slytherin or a dark arts session. Fans will appreciate the real items and costumes featured in the Harry Potter films. While we all have to live in reality, we can at least get close to living in the wizarding world. Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds, one of London's most popular attractions, allows you to take amazing pictures with wax statues of celebrities and historical figures. Take your time as you walk among the 98 celebs, each of whom is eager for a snapshot with you. Photograph someone saluting the Queen or fixing Donald Trump's hair. You may sing along to Taylor Swift or put a ring on it, like Beyoncé. Westminster Abbey. This regal church is a must-see attraction for any history buff visiting London. Prince William and Catherine Middleton's wedding ceremony most recently featured Westminster Abbey, which boasts a 1,000-year history. While you are free to snap pictures, please do not make too much noise since you may wake up the 17 monarchs who are resting here. Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square is located south of Leicester Square and contains several renowned statues and monuments. Look for Britain's smallest police station, designed to accommodate only one person. Most maps show the neighboring Charing Cross station as the city's point zero, where all roads lead. The National Gallery portrait and St. Martin in the Fields Church are both close to Trafalgar Square. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.